Hello everyone, welcome to Chocolography. Today I am going to write a self introduction for college students or school students, how to introduce themselves. So let's begin. Good morning everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity, and it's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Kirti. I am 19 years old. I am from Bandra. Let me tell you about my schooling. I studied at Brilliant Grammar High School. I completed my junior college education from Narayana College, and now I am here to complete my graduation in this college. I am very excited and happy to be here. My parents are the pillars of my strength. My favorite subject is mathematics. My hobbies are reading books, drawing, and painting. My, my goal is to become an IAS officer. Confidence and good communication skills are my strength. That's all about me. Thank you very much. This is an example of self introduction which I wrote in a sample way, and you can prepare your own self introduction using this sample video. Good luck, guys. Be prepared and present well. I hope you got some information from this video. See you with another video. Bye bye.